Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and today I am unboxing the latest or the May subscription box. This is the deluxe from Infinite Lotus. So let me go ahead and take it out. I hope everyone is having a great day, evening, weekend, whatever the case may be where you are. Use this to put everything back in. I like to look at the kind of like the index or what's inside type of card. And I like to put this stuff back in so that it won't go everywhere. Now, I've been subscribed to this box since its inception, or very first box, which was this past September, I think was the first box. I can tell something different with this box already because it looks like all the inserts are in one packet. So that's different. So let's go ahead and look at it here. I definitely like to get the little the calendar, the May. So that's May. And then we have a thank you card. And then we have this little journaling quote card. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Let's put this here. Let's see, we've got some dashboards. Now, there are two types of subscription boxes. And look, I can't remember what they are. I mean, I know one is the deluxe, which includes everything. So that's what I have. And I think this kind of tells us what goes in what. But I'm not going to spend a lot of time with that, y'all. Just check out the website. All right, so here we have a vellum that says Bloom. And look, next to note cards, not note card, note pages, I would say cute dashboards, functional dashboards. I love those in my planner. This is cute. Look at that. And there's blooming flowers. I love that we get this every month, which is M for May. Now, let me just tell you what I love about it is that there's no year. So the M, and then up here it says May, if it will function. So it says May, but there's no year, so that's great. And so what I do, so this is what we have for April. Look at that. See there? I'm gonna go ahead and take those. I love it. And I'm gonna do this. Love it. Love that. Okay. So let's set this right here because there's something else I'm sure I'm gonna put in there. And then we have this. Let me make sure I'm seeing her right. This is a woman contour. And she is cute. Oh, yeah. Bloom. I'm gonna put her. Let's put her. And yeah, I still have some things I need to. I've got another box, so. But I can never have. Oh, I can take this one out. This is. Oh, I love this. This is Infinite Lotus. This is what we got last month. We got this. This Infinite Lotus too, yeah. So. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's put Bloom. Definitely, I already said I was going to take this out. So let's do that. I still like that inhale, exhale. Ooh, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. But I still like the Bloom. So, and now this is from last month. Was this March? April? Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Inserts. So we have the inserts. We have four. We have the daily half-hour grid, the meal planner, medication log, double list. So let me just say, when we first, I think it was the first box we had, I think. And what was in the box was a meal planner, like a tear off pad, and it was long, and the shopping list. So I used that a little bit. In fact, my mom used some too. I'm not certain that I will use because I don't really plan meals like that. It's like an occasional type thing. And this right here, so I want to say the first, I really want to say it was the first. We had a similar, let me, because I do use those. Let me show you what it looks like. Um, I'm sure I got it because I usually try, yep. I was like, I know I try to keep a few in here. So, I don't know why this sheet is on here. Let's see what this is. I don't know what that is, but I put it over there. But see, so this was what it was before, the early on, okay? And so I like, I'm a nerd. I'm a note insert sheet type of girl. So, you know, they're not going to go to waste because I like using these daily sheets when I have really, really busy days or the week has been pretty busy or I put a little bit more extra decor or just something comes up where I need more room. So I'll use the daily sheets for that. Now, like I said, this is very similar. The only thing is the full sheet. I don't care about the hours because that I don't always look at that. Even I'll write and I don't even see that over there. Or if I feel like decorating, I'll do that. But so I already know these will definitely be used. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. So let me put those there because those will be used. Now, the meal plan, let's look at it. Okay, so you got your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And when I meal plan, I'm usually not that detailed. And then, of course, you got it for the week. I do love the fact that it starts on a Monday because I'm a Monday start weekly girl. So that's great. And then you have your grocery list and you've got it broken down into sections. So you could say, meats, veggies, dairy, canned, frozen fruits. You can break it down like that. So, excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. Look, allergies still won't let me be great, but yeah, I'm pressing forward. Maybe I need some water. I don't know. Excuse me. All right. So that's the grocery list. Now, let's see what this medication log is because this may be good because I am helping my mom now with some of her appointments, trying to be, on top of things that she has to do. Medications, yeah. So, medication log. So, what we have here is this log is not just a log of the medicines, which would have been great. This is like specific date, time, medication, and the dosage. Like, what are you taking? I think this would be great, like if you're taking some type of antibiotics, or maybe you're trying to be better in taking your medicine. So this log will help you, be mindful that yes, I did take my medicine this morning, or excuse me, I don't see where I logged it. So it'll be good for that. For me, I wouldn't need this. But I will try to figure out how I can use it. And the back is, yeah, it's the same thing. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Y'all be right back. Hey, y'all, I'm sorry. I was having just coffee. Again, allergies won't be the best. All right, and so this is the double list, which is good because it's like note sheets. So I can never have enough notes. So definitely we use this. So these two here, the medication and meal, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about those. I'm gonna put these back inside because I'm not sure about those. Maybe a friend could use them. All right, it's one of us. So, all right, so let's move it on. We have in the accessory pack, we have some dot stickers. Can never have enough dot stickers, y'all. And this is in the color blush. So we'll definitely use those. And look, next to notes, because I'll make a note sheet work. Okay, I'll make it work in my favor. I will do that. Sticky notes, and same thing. So we have 2 sets of these, and these are to buy stickers. I'm not specific, when it comes to sticky notes, they don't have to be specific like this, but hey, this will be good. I can use this for like, actually this would be good because you know how things come up in your head and like, oh my goodness, I should have put that on my list for, my grocery order, or I need to order some more CPAP supplies. It's not due yet, but this will be good coming up. Like maybe like put a sheet on your monthly. Maybe. Let's see. I think I've already started. Oh, I haven't. Okay. So I'll do that here. Because something will come up in May for certain. So I'll put that there. Okay. So these will definitely be used. Let's see what we have here. Let me get this right here because I think this is where I'll show you. So here, let me start with this. Let me go back to my planner because what I do, I like to use, so this was the April intentions, right? So let me go back to, where's my new, oh, there it is. Okay. So I like to stick this here. Uh-oh. So May intentions, bloom with the season. And I won't read all of this, y'all. You can just kind of stop it. Bloom with the season, declutter my to-do list. Definitely need to do that. Enjoy seasonal foods. Yum. So what I do, just as a reminder and just when I want to drift off, I'll put it here on my monthly. And there it is. And then what else we get is okay, let's put you over here. So we have these, the small cards, they kind of go with the intentions. So bloom with the season. I'm assuming this is the season. Declutter my, well, no. Oh, y'all. I'm on the wrong thing. It's this. Okay, so these, you know what? I said I was going to do that with this. Let me pull out. So this is my my journal I use. I think these are so cute. I'm just gonna put these for you now. Right now. That's so cute. Okay. There's a video coming up about that journal and a couple others. All right, so here we are. These are the smaller intentions. Um, Bloom with the season, declutter my to-do list, and enjoy seasonal foods. And I do. Oh, well, since I'm in here, let's see. Did I? Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, even though it's not made just yet. We are ending it. Actually, you know what? That did need to come out. That was an order tracker and everything. Let me make sure. Yeah, I needed to check that off. No, that was. I think I'm gonna put this down here now. And I just really like her. She's gonna stay in there. Um, let's see. I'm gonna put these here. Okay, I'm changing positions with this. Put this down here. Okay. And then we have a bigger calendar here. I think this is gonna probably go in the other journal, but I will see. I will see. I will see. And then the last thing we have are the Saka Pooch scissors. I guess I'm pronouncing it right, y'all, but let me just tell you. I do like these. Now, you can't go do surgery, like real surgery, with these particular scissors. But I do love them because I have some. This is actually going to my other pen case. So these are the ones I bought from Cloth and Paper. So, and they just, yep. Oh, let's see. I was just trying to see if it had anything on there. No, I don't know what that says, but huh. All right. All right, friends. So that is it. That is it for the May deluxe subscription box from Infinite Lotus. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I have been evaluating all the subscription boxes that I have and trying to decide which ones I will keep. There are some that did not make it into 2025 with me, and there may be some that may not make it through the rest of 2025. Not sure. I'm, evaluating everything to see which will stay, which will have to be on pause or end it all together. So we will see. We will see. But I do thank you for stopping by, doing this unboxing with me. I appreciate you. Thank you kindly. If you would do me a favor, hit that like button for me and the subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, friends, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye. That's